Welcome to our video on nutrition for a healthy life. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle starts with what we put into our bodies. Good nutrition is the foundation of overall well-being. It provides our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally, boost our immune systems, and prevent chronic diseases. To achieve a balanced diet, it's important to include foods from all 5 food groups. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Grains are a great source of energy, while protein foods help build and repair tissues. Dairy products offer calcium for strong bones. Understanding portion control is key. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. A balanced plate should consist of half fruits and vegetables, a quarter lean protein, and a quarter whole grains. Opt for nutrient-rich choices. Instead of sugary snacks, go for nuts or yogurt. Choose whole grains over refined grains, and opt for lean proteins like poultry, fish, and legumes. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but just as important. Water supports digestion, regulates body temperature, and helps transport nutrients. Include hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumbers in your diet. Learn to read food labels. Pay attention to serving sizes, nutritional information, and ingredient lists. Be cautious of added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Meal preparation and planning can make a big difference in your nutritional habits. Plan your meals ahead of time, make grocery lists, and cook at home as much as possible. This gives you control over the ingredients and cooking methods. If you have special dietary needs, such as allergies or medical conditions, consult a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. They can help you create a balanced eating plan that meets your unique requirements. Remember, good nutrition is not about deprivation but about making informed choices. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods and practicing moderation, you can fuel your body for a healthy and vibrant life. Snacking smartly. Snacking can be a part of a healthy diet if done right. Opt for snacks like fresh fruits, yogurt, nuts, and whole grain crackers. These choices provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full between meals. The role of fiber. Fiber is a nutritional powerhouse that promotes digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Increase your fiber intake by including whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables in your meals. Fiber also helps control blood sugar levels. Mindful eating. Mindful eating encourages us to be fully present during meals, paying attention to taste, texture, and hunger cues. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and stop when you feel comfortably full. This practice can prevent overeating and improve digestion. Antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. Berries, spinach, and sweet potatoes are great sources of antioxidants that support overall health. Importance of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health. Include fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds in your meals to reap the benefits of these healthy fats. Social and cultural aspects of eating. Eating is not just about nourishment, it's also a social and cultural experience. Embrace your cultural traditions and share meals with loved ones. Enjoying food together fosters connections and enhances the joy of eating. Staying consistent. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy eating pattern. Plan your meals and snacks, stay organized, and make small, sustainable changes over time. This approach increases the likelihood of long-term success. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a future filled with vibrant health and mindful eating. For more tips and resources on nutrition and well-being, visit our website.